What do you do in the morning? I wake up, I take a shower, I get dressed, and I eat breakfast. Oh, when do you get up? I get up at 6. Wow, that's early. I know. I like mornings though. What do you do during the day? Well, I go to school. I teach students. Wow, what do you teach? I teach math. What do you do? I work at a bike shop. Really? What do you do at the shop? I fix and sell bikes. Sounds fun. What do you do at lunch? I eat with my friends. And you? I eat in the park. That's nice. Yeah, I like to read on my lunch break. Oh, what do you read? I read about history. Interesting. What do you do on the weekend? I play sports at the park. How about you? I study at the library. Oh, right. You love books. Yeah, so what sports do you play? I play soccer with my friends. Sounds fun. It is.